Good news! We are to change dreams into reality. A revolutionary step that can fulfill your long-chested dreams of quality education. Join Shalati Public School and College. Be a part of our visionary educational scheme. Admissions are open from KG to class 12. Under the tutelage of Professor Mohammad Jinnah Biroi. Facilities: highly qualified faculty, ventilated classrooms, modern science lab, modern computer lab, modern library, study tours and outings, extracurricular activities, standby generator, cafeteria. For contact, Professor Mohammad Jinnah Biroi. Mobile number 0333-750-2151. Principal Abdul Fattah Biroi. Mobile number 0335-319-2870. Address: Lakhpati Road near Green Star Hotel, Shahzadkot.